Hi guys, I'm Jade. I'm going to talk to you through our kits. Our kits are a part of our everyday reusable collection, which we created intentionally to help you live a life free of single-use plastics. I'm going to talk you through our kits, and here in front of us we have our straw kits, our utensil kits, drink kits, and our meal kits. First we have our straw kit. This cool straw kit comes with 2 stainless steel straws, a silicone tip, and a cleaner. You'll find 6 solid colorways and 5 funky fun designs. Next, you'll find our utensil kit. And within the utensil kit, you'll find 2 stainless steel straws, a set of stainless steel chopsticks, a little cleaner for your straw, 2 silicone tips, as well as a spoon spork utensil hybrid. And for our utensil kits, you'll find 4 solid colorways, as well as a handful of fun prints. Lastly, in our collection, you'll find our drink kit. And our drink kit comes in the same colorways you saw in our meal kit, which are going to be this blue, a retro wave, as well as a camel. Within our drink kit, you get a powder-coated water bottle, 2 powder-coated stainless steel tumblers, 2 stainless steel straws, a straw cleaner, as well as a silicone tip. The thing I really love about this collection is it really sets you up to live a life free of single-use plastics. It's so important for us to be mindful about our single-use consumption because we only live on one planet. There is no planet B. We're all in this together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.